And so how, when you're working with your, with your clients and advising folks in the space, how do you have them like back up and start from the beginning on how to build their requirements for what it is they're trying to solve and what they need to help solve them?
Yep. I think that for sure you want to start with what are the actual problems versus we don't want to make an assumption that you need any ATS, right? Because again, everybody is so busy with their lives and their professional lives, and very few folks are experts in this ecosystem, and the ecosystem evolves very, very quickly. And so we just want to make sure that, hey, recruiter efficiency is a problem, or, scaling hiring is a problem, or, whatever the case may be that like actually makes us think, hey, we may need a new ATS here. Beyond that, there are considerations that are from all different stakeholders. So you've got sort of the primary TA stakeholders who are looking for what sort of automations are we going to have to gain efficiencies? What sort of work are we going to take off our plate? How do we maybe increase the funnel for sourcing? We're looking at integrations with tools that we already use, whether maybe that's an HRIS and you want to feed into onboarding. Maybe it's different assessment tools or sourcing tools. And then there are other folks in your organization that are important as well. And you might be looking at hiring managers and what they're looking to get out of it. You might be looking at the CFO, info security. So you want to be mindful of those as well as you start to build this requirements list. And then the universe is large, as you point out. And to be honest with you, I don't know of a better way than talking to our advisor team to figure out really what solutions you should look at. There's obviously, you can do internet research, you can ask your community, and those are decent ways of doing it. You can even go on websites like a G2 Crowd that have lots of crowd reviews, but you have only so much time in the day and you want to get to the right decisions. You don't just want to have a list of 12 companies that you have to go do demos of and then stay organized and take notes on and this whole thing. So it is, it's very, very challenging. And to be honest with you, that's why we started our business, is to help people with this problem. But those are sort of the broader frameworks that I would use when starting out.